Lions, majestic creatures known for their regal appearance and powerful presence, have long captivated our imagination. They are highly adaptable animals and can be found in a variety of habitats, ranging from savannas and grasslands to woodlands and semi-desert areas. They are spread across sub-Saharan Africa, and a small population lives in the Gir forest of India. Lions are characterized by their distinctive appearance, including a robust body, a broad head with a prominent mane in males, and a sleek, tawny coat. The coloration of their fur serves as effective camouflage in their natural environment. Male lions are easily recognized by their impressive manes, which vary in color and size. The mane is a sign of maturity and plays a role in attracting mates . They are social animals and are often found in groups known as prides, typically consisting of related females and their offspring. Male lions, or coalitions, may form alliances to defend territories and prides. Lions are apex predators and primarily prey on large herbivores such as wildebeest, zebras, and various antelope species. Lionesses, with their streamlined bodies and sharp hunting instincts, are the primary hunters within a pride. They often employ teamwork, coordinating their efforts to surround and overpower their prey. After a successful hunt, lions engage in social bonding through communal feeding. They have to not only hunt and catch their prey, they must also guard their food from other scavengers and predators, like hyenas, wild dogs, and vultures. These opportunistic animals are more than happy to risk the lion's wrath and make off with what scraps they can. Lions are territorial animals, and males mark their territories with scent markings and vocalizations. Territories provide lions with a stable and resource-rich environment for raising their cubs. The defense of these territories is crucial for maintaining access to food and mating opportunities. Contrary to popular belief, lions are not lazy creatures spending their days lounging under the sun. While it is true that they spend a significant portion of their time resting, Lions are opportunistic hunters, using their strength and teamwork to bring down prey. Their bursts of intense activity during hunts require periods of rest and recovery. Female lions typically give birth to a litter of 2 to 4 cubs after a gestation period of about 100 days. Cubs are vulnerable in their early months and are carefully guarded by the lionesses. As the cubs grow, they become integrated into the pride's social structure, learning essential hunting and survival skills. Despite their once widespread distribution, lion populations have declined significantly in recent decades. Their numbers have plummeted by approximately 43% since the 1990s. Threats such as habitat loss, human-wildlife conflict, and poaching pose serious challenges to their survival. Observing lions in their natural habitat is a breathtaking experience, providing a glimpse into the intricate dynamics of their social structure and the challenges they face in the wild. Conservation efforts and responsible tourism play vital roles in preserving these iconic big cats for future generations. Today, it is estimated that fewer than 20,000 lions remain in the wild. One of the primary factors contributing to the decline of lion populations is habitat loss and fragmentation. As human populations expand and encroach upon natural habitats, lion populations are forced into smaller and isolated areas. This fragmentation disrupts their natural behaviors, such as hunting and breeding, and increases their vulnerability to extinction. The expansion of human settlements and agricultural activities often leads to conflicts between humans and lions. As lions' natural prey decreases due to habitat loss, they may turn to livestock as an alternative food source. In response, farmers resort to retaliatory killings to protect their livestock, further exacerbating the decline in lion numbers. Their decline has far-reaching consequences for the ecosystem. As apex predators, lions play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of their respective ecosystems. They regulate herbivore populations, prevent overgrazing, and indirectly support the survival of other species. The loss of lions can lead to cascading effects, disrupting the delicate equilibrium of the ecosystem. Recognizing the urgency to protect lions, various organizations and governments have initiated conservation efforts. These efforts focus on habitat preservation, community engagement, and anti-poaching measures. Preserving lion habitats is vital for their long-term survival. Protected areas, such as national parks and reserves, are crucial in providing safe spaces for lions to thrive. Efforts should be made to expand these protected areas and improve their management to ensure the conservation of lion populations. Their endangered status necessitates immediate action to protect these majestic creatures and the ecosystems. We can work towards ensuring a future where lions continue to roam freely in the wild. The aquatic namesake to this apex animal is the lionfish. Originating in the Indo-Pacific region, It is an invasive species that has spread to the Atlantic Ocean and the Caribbean Sea. There are a dozen types of species varying in color and size. The lionfish is a beautiful yet dangerous predator that has become a cause for concern in many marine environments. One of the most distinctive features of the lionfish is its striking appearance. It has long, flowing fins that fan out like a lion's mane, hence its name. Despite its beauty, this fish has a dark side that has caused concern among marine biologists and environmentalists. Its body is covered in bold stripes and spots, ranging in color from red and orange to yellow and brown, and is armed with 18 venomous spines, which can cause severe reactions, including swelling, nausea, and even paralysis. The fish is also very aggressive towards other reef dwellers and humans. Increasing water temperatures has allowed the species to invade the Mediterranean Sea. One of the reasons why the lionfish has been so successful is its ability to reproduce rapidly. A single female lionfish can release up to 30,000 eggs every few days, and these eggs can hatch within 2 days. The lionfish population has exploded, causing significant ecological damage to coral reefs and native fish populations. The more appealing lions of the sea are the sea lions. They are captivating marine mammals related to walruses and seals. Sea lions are found in coastal areas and islands across the globe, including the Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, and Southern Ocean. Notable populations include California sea lions and South American sea lions. There are 6 of 7 species alive today, the Japanese sea lion since becoming extinct. Sea lions have sleek bodies, and adult males also develop a distinct feature known as a mane around their neck, giving them a regal appearance. Their flippers, designed for both swimming and movement on land, play a vital role in their daily activities. Sea lions are highly social animals, forming colonies that can range from a few individuals to thousands. They exhibit complex social structures and engage in various behaviors to communicate and establish dominance within their groups. Sea lions are opportunistic feeders, primarily consuming fish, squid, and crustaceans. They are skilled hunters, diving to impressive depths and maneuvering swiftly in the water. Breeding season varies among species, with males competing for females. After mating, females give birth to a single pup and establish a strong bond through nursing and teaching survival skills. Conservation efforts include marine protected areas, fishing regulations, and raising awareness. With their playful nature, remarkable agility, and distinct features, these marine mammals have become a subject of fascination for scientists, wildlife enthusiasts, and beachgoers alike. Despite their remarkable adaptability, sea lions face numerous threats in their natural habitat. Pollution, habitat destruction, entanglement in fishing gear, and climate change are among the challenges they encounter. Additionally, human activities such as overfishing and direct hunting have negatively impacted some populations. In the vast and diverse animal kingdom, few creatures capture our imagination like elephants. When it comes to size, elephants reign supreme. They are the largest land animals on Earth, with African elephants being the larger of the two species. Adult male African elephants can reach heights of up to 4 meters at the shoulder and weigh an astonishing 6 to 7 tons. In comparison, their Asian counterparts are slightly smaller, but still impressive in size. Their colossal bodies are supported by strong, pillar-like legs and thick, wrinkled skin that acts as protection against the elements. Their size is not only a physical attribute, but also a symbol of their dominance in their natural habitat. Despite their massive size, elephants possess surprising agility and speed. While their gait may appear slow and deliberate, they can reach speeds of up to 40 kph when running. This remarkable speed allows them to navigate their vast habitats efficiently and escape potential threats. Moreover, their long legs and unique anatomy contribute to their ability to move gracefully. Elephants' large padded feet distribute their weight evenly, reducing the impact on the ground as they walk or run. This adaptation enables them to traverse various terrains, including dense forests and open grasslands. They play a vital role in maintaining the delicate balance of the animal kingdom. They are considered a keystone species, meaning their presence has a disproportionate impact on their environment. By feeding on vegetation, elephants shape the landscape and create pathways for other animals. They help disperse seeds through their droppings, promoting the growth of plant species and maintaining biodiversity. Latest estimates put the elephant population around 400 to 415,000. They can live up to 70 years of age. Female elephants have the longest pregnancy than any other land mammal. Their gestation period is an average of 22 months for African elephants and 18 to 22 months for their Asian cousins. The calves are cared for, protected and taught by the entire herd. They even adjust their traveling speed to allow the young to keep up. Elephants love taking baths. However, they prefer a calm and tranquil environment whilst doing so. In their natural habitat, they often enjoy bathing in various water sources, such as rivers, streams, ponds, and muddy wallows. Engaging in activities like rolling around, splashing water, wrestling with one another, and submerging their bodies. They also enjoy covering themselves with mud or dirt. Additionally, their water-dependent lifestyle contributes to the creation of water holes and wallows, which become essential sources of hydration for other animals during dry seasons. These communal watering holes serve as gathering spots for multiple species, fostering interactions and creating opportunities for mutualistic relationships. Elephants exhibit high levels of intelligence. They display problem-solving abilities, exhibit self-awareness, and demonstrate empathy towards members of their herd. Elephants are also known to use tools, such as branches or rocks, to accomplish tasks like scratching an itch or digging for water. Within elephant herds, a clear social hierarchy prevails. The matriarch holds the highest position, followed by other adult females, while younger members gradually ascend the ranks as they mature. This hierarchical structure ensures efficient decision-making and overall herd well-being. Just like any other species, elephants are not exempt from conflicts. Males, in particular, engage in fierce battles for dominance and mating rights. These confrontations involve physical displays of strength, such as headbutting, pushing, and tusk jousting. While intense, these fights rarely result in serious injury or death. Despite their significance and awe-inspiring attributes, elephants face numerous threats in the modern world. Habitat loss, poaching for ivory, and human-elephant conflicts are among the most significant challenges endangering their survival. To mitigate these issues, various conservation organizations and governments are actively working to protect elephants and their habitats. Initiatives such as anti-poaching patrols, community-based conservation programs, and wildlife corridors are crucial in ensuring the long-term survival of these magnificent creatures. As we strive to protect and conserve elephants, we also safeguard the delicate balance of the animal kingdom for future generations to admire and cherish. Another giant is the capybara, the largest living rodent on our planet. Native to South America, this semi-aquatic mammal inhabits densely vegetated areas near bodies of water, such as rivers, lakes, and swamps. Adults typically measure around 1.2 meters in length and weigh between 35 and 65 kilograms. Their robust bodies, large heads, and short, blunt snouts make them easily distinguishable from other animals. With a lifespan of around 8 to 10 years in the wild, capybaras are highly social animals, often found in groups known as herds. Inherently social creatures, they form complex social structures within their herds that are usually led by a dominant male, who ensures the safety and well-being of his group. Their communication primarily involves vocalizations, such as barks, whistles, and purrs, which help them maintain social bonds and alert the group to potential threats. As herbivores, capybaras have a diverse diet consisting mainly of grasses, aquatic plants, and various fruits. Their unique digestive system allows them to efficiently process tough plant material, enabling them to extract the necessary nutrients from their food sources. With their constant grazing, capybaras contribute to the shaping of their habitats, playing a vital role in the ecosystem. Despite their large size, capybaras are surprisingly agile and can reach remarkable speeds when needed, like evading their predators such as jaguars and caimans. This ability is primarily attributed to their long, slender limbs and partially webbed feet, which enable them to navigate through water bodies with ease. Their streamlined body shape also aids in swift movement, allowing them to escape from predators or seek safety during times of danger. On land, they can reach speeds of up to 35 kilometers per hour. They are excellent swimmers, capable of staying submerged for several minutes. Their webbed feet and ability to close their nostrils and ears while submerged make them efficient aquatic beings. Their eyes, ears, and nostrils are strategically positioned on top of its head, allowing them to remain above the water's surface while the rest of its body remains submerged. In the intricate tapestry of the animal kingdom, the capybara stands out as a remarkable creature. Its ability to thrive in its natural habitat, its surprising speed, and its colossal size make it an intriguing subject of study. With its unique characteristics and its vital role in the ecosystem, the capybara serves as a testament to the marvels that exist within the animal kingdom. The whale shark is the largest known fish species and is the largest living non-mammalian animal. These creatures, despite their name, are not whales, but rather the largest species of sharks, and lives in all the warm tropical oceans, inhabiting both coastal and offshore regions. They are commonly spotted in tropical and subtropical areas, including the Indian Ocean, the Pacific Ocean, and the Atlantic Ocean. It is believed their lifespan can reach between 80 and 130 years of age. These enormous creatures can grow up to an impressive length of 12 meters and weigh up to 20 tons. Their distinctive appearance is defined by their flattened heads and wide mouths, which can stretch up to 1.5 meters wide, allowing them to filter feed on tiny organisms such as plankton and small fish. Only two other sharks feed like this: the megamouth and the basking sharks. These sharks are highly migratory, following food sources and ocean currents. They often travel long distances in search of abundant plankton blooms, which serve as their primary source of sustenance. Despite their massive size, whale sharks are known for their docile nature and pose no significant threat to humans. They are often sought out by divers and snorkelers who wish to experience the wonder of swimming alongside these gentle giants. Like many other marine species, whale sharks face numerous threats due to human activities and environmental factors. Despite being protected by international conservation agreements and listed as a vulnerable species by the International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN, they are still at risk. One of the main conservation challenges for whale sharks is accidental entanglement in fishing gear, known as bycatch. Measures are being taken globally to promote the use of whale-friendly fishing techniques and the establishment of marine protected areas where these majestic creatures can thrive without human interference. Whale shark tourism has gained popularity in recent years, offering people the opportunity to witness these incredible creatures up close. However, these incredible beings face numerous threats, making conservation efforts vital for their survival. By promoting responsible tourism, educating the public, and implementing conservation measures, we can ensure a future where whale sharks continue to grace our oceans. Some well-known hotspots for whale shark sightings include the Maldives, the Philippines, Mexico's Yucatan Peninsula, and the Galapagos Islands. With its towering height, elegant stride, and distinctive patterned coat, this gentle giant is a true marvel of the animal kingdom. Standing tall at an impressive height of up to 5.5 meters, the giraffe is the tallest land mammal on Earth. Its long neck allows it to reach high into the trees and feast on leaves that other herbivores cannot access. The giraffe's neck is supported by 7 vertebrae, just like any other mammal, but each vertebra is significantly elongated to accommodate its extraordinary length. Giraffes are native to the African continent and can be found in several countries, including Kenya, Tanzania, and South Africa. These majestic creatures inhabit a variety of habitats, from savannas and woodlands to open grasslands. Giraffes have adapted to these diverse environments, allowing them to thrive in both arid and more fertile regions. In the past, giraffes were generally considered to be a single species known as Giraffa camelopardalis, with a total of 9 subspecies. However, recent studies have suggested the classification of giraffes into 4 species and 9 distinct subspecies, along with the identification of 7 additional extinct species based on fossil evidence. Each type lives in geographically distinct regions. There is the Maasai, which is the tallest and most abundant of the species, with a population standing at over 44,000. Its irregular star-shaped patterns vary from brown to orange to cream. The Luangwa subspecies has been identified in the past as the Rhodesian or Thornycroft giraffe. Some reports have put their population to a mere 650 individuals. Its spots extend all the way down along its legs. The northern species consists of the Kordofan, Nubian, and West African species. The Kordofan spots extend to its inner leg. These are favored for zoo captivity, with an estimated 65 in zoos around the world. The Nubian giraffe has 4-sided spots that are chestnut brown on a pale off-white background and no spotting on the inner legs. This subspecies includes the Rothschild giraffe, which is very popular in captivity. However, there is some uncertainty of population numbers in the wild, with as few as 250 individuals counted. The reticulated giraffe has gone by the names of Somali or netted giraffe and can be identified by a complicated dark and orange smooth spotted pattern that are close together, leaving a very narrow pale net-like background pattern. The southern species include the Angolan and the most populous of all, the South African giraffe. The Angolan is also called the smoky giraffe on account of its pale, faded spots. The West African giraffe is sometimes called the Nigerian and has rectangular blotches with no patterning on the legs. Its population numbers around 220 individuals in the wild. The giraffe's diet consists primarily of leaves from acacia trees, which are rich in nutrients and provide essential sustenance for their survival. One of the most captivating aspects of giraffes' behavior is their drinking technique. Due to their height, giraffes face a significant challenge when it comes to accessing water sources. To overcome this obstacle, they have developed an innovative method of drinking. When a giraffe lowers its head to reach the water surface, its blood pressure increases dramatically. To counteract this sudden change, a series of intricate valves and vessels in their neck and legs work together to regulate blood flow and prevent excessive blood rush to the head. This adaptation ensures that the giraffe doesn't become lightheaded or faint while drinking. In addition to their unique drinking method, giraffes have an exceptional ability to survive without water for extended periods. They have evolved to extract moisture from the leaves they consume, minimizing their dependency on direct water sources. This adaptation allows them to thrive even in arid environments where water availability is limited. With their long tongues and prehensile lips, giraffes can strip leaves from branches, often reaching heights that other herbivores cannot. This unique feeding behavior has allowed them to avoid competition and find an abundant food source in the treetops. Giraffes are social animals, typically living in small herds known as towers. These herds can consist of females and their young, while adult males tend to lead solitary lives. Within the herd, there is a hierarchical structure, with dominant males asserting their authority during mating season. Giraffes communicate through a range of vocalizations, including grunts, snorts, and hisses, as well as physical gestures such as neck swinging and headbutting. The breeding season for giraffes occurs throughout the year, with males engaging in fierce battles to establish dominance and secure mating rights. After a gestation period of approximately 15 months, a female giraffe gives birth to a single calf, which can stand and walk within an hour of being born. The calf remains under the watchful eye of its mother, who provides protection and nourishment until it can fend for itself. Due to their large size, excellent eyesight and strong kicking ability, adult giraffes are generally protected from predators. Their main threat comes from lions. The gerenuk is predominantly found in the arid regions of East Africa, including Kenya, Ethiopia, Somalia, and Tanzania. Similar to giraffes, they have remarkably long necks and nimble lips, enabling them to stand on their hind legs and stretch upwards to browse on high branches that other animals cannot access. Its habitat consists of dry, thorny shrublands, acacia woodlands, and semi-desert areas. These arid environments provide the gerenuk with the perfect conditions to thrive. Unlike most herbivores that graze on grass or browse on leaves, gerenuks have developed an exceptional adaptation to feed on leaves that are out of reach for other animals. With its elongated neck and slender body, it possesses a distinct appearance. It stands approximately 90 to 105 centimeters tall at the shoulder and can weigh anywhere between 45 to 60 kilograms. Both males and females have slender, lyre-shaped horns, although the male's horns are usually longer and more robust. Gerenuks are primarily herbivores, but their feeding habits differ significantly from other herbivorous species in the animal kingdom. The springbok, scientifically known as Antidorcus marsupialis, thrives in the open grasslands, savannas, and dry shrublands of southern Africa. They can be found in countries such as South Africa, Namibia, and Botswana. Springboks have managed to survive in these harsh and arid environments. They possess a slender build and a light brown coat with a white underbelly. The most distinctive feature of the springbok is its striking markings. A dark brown stripe runs across its back, separating the light brown upper body from the white lower body. These markings, along with their impressive horns, make the springbok easily recognizable. They are social animals and live in herds consisting of females, young calves, and a few dominant males. These herds can range from a few individuals to hundreds, providing strength in numbers against potential predators. During the breeding season, which usually occurs between August and October, male springboks engage in intense displays of territoriality. Once a dominant male is established, he mates with multiple females within the herd. When threatened, springboks rely on their incredible speed and agility to evade predators, often leaping into the air in a series of high jumps. As herbivores, springboks primarily consume grasses, leaves, and shrubs. They have a specialized digestive system that allows them to extract maximum nutrients from the plant material they consume. They are capable of meeting their water requirements through the moisture content in their food, enabling them to survive in areas with limited water sources, which is essential for survival in their arid habitat. Although similar in appearance, the Thompson gazelle is perhaps the most well-known gazelle in Africa. A relatively small gazelle, it is claimed to be the fourth fastest land animal in the world. It differs from the springbok in appearance, with a black side flank marking and differing facial markings, including a light-colored forehead. They can be found in East Africa, and it has a population exceeding 200,000. Thompson's gazelles rely on short grass for sustenance and can be found in large numbers during the rainy season when the grass grows rapidly. In the Serengeti, they trail behind larger herbivores like plains zebras and blue wildebeests who clear the taller grasses. In their natural habitat, they have an average lifespan of 10 to 15 years. Its main threat comes from the cheetah, although habitat destruction, fire and road building have taken their toll over the last few decades. The topi has a scattered distribution throughout southern, East and West Africa. Although smaller than hartebeests, topis share a similar body shape. Topis are highly social animals, living in herds of 15 to 20 individuals, with some herds reaching hundreds in size. Their diet consists solely of grass, and they are well suited to select the most tender growth. With keen eyesight and hearing, topis can run swiftly using a bounding gait. Male topis establish and defend their territories, engaging in impressive displays of dominance to assert their breeding rights. Favoring specific grasslands in arid and savanna biomes, the subpopulations have become increasingly isolated due to human hunting and changes to their habitat. These antelopes can withstand long periods without water, as long as they have access to green pastures. Renowned for its striking appearance, the oryx possesses a slender muscular body, long straight horns, and a beautiful coat characterized by contrasting dark and light colors. There are 4 subspecies, 2 of which only survived extinction by captive breeding programs. The Arabian and scimitar oryx have been reintroduced into the wild. The East African oryx, also known as the gemsbok, is also considered an endangered species. The animal was introduced into the United States in the late 1960s for game hunters, and has thrived in New Mexico. There now exists a stable population of around 2,000 individuals. The oryx can thrive in harsh desert environments where food and water resources can be scarce. They are a species that needs careful management to maintain their existence in the animal kingdom. The leopard, Panthera pardus, is one of 5 living Panthera genus species. It is a large and solitary feline found across various regions of the world. They have a wide geographic range, although their populations have been significantly impacted due to habitat loss and poaching. In Africa, they can be found in sub-Saharan regions, whereas in Asia, they inhabit the forests of India, Sri Lanka, and Southeast Asia. With their muscular build and agile bodies, leopards are capable of extraordinary feats of athleticism. Their distinctive spots, known as rosettes, provide excellent camouflage in their natural habitats. Leopards are highly adaptable and can thrive in diverse environments, ranging from dense forests to open grasslands. They are opportunistic hunters. Preying on a wide variety of animals. Their diet includes antelope, deer, monkeys, rodents, and even smaller predators such as hyenas. Their hunting techniques are varied, ranging from stealthy stalking to ambush attacks, ensuring successful kills. With their exceptional strength and agility, they are capable of taking down prey much larger than themselves. Leopards have evolved several adaptations that aid their survival in the wild. They have been known to attack from above, descending from trees to surprise and attack their prey. Their powerful build enables them to climb trees and drag heavy prey to safety. Leopards are solitary creatures, with males and females coming together only during mating season. They possess keen senses, particularly exceptional night vision, which allows them to be efficient nocturnal hunters. Additionally, their retractable claws provide excellent grip and maneuverability during hunts and tree climbing. The International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN, lists leopards as a species of least concern globally, but several subspecies are listed as endangered or critically endangered. After a gestation period of approximately 90 to 105 days, the female gives birth to a litter of 2 to 3 cubs. The cubs are born blind and rely on their mother for nourishment and protection. There are 9 subspecies of leopard. The most common is the African, which the International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN, lists as a species of least concern globally. The Indian Panthera pardus fusca is less common and listed as near threatened. However, several other subspecies are listed as endangered or critically endangered. The Javan leopard inhabits 22 small pockets on the island of Java, is endangered with only an estimated 500 individuals in the wild. The often named Persian or Asia Minor leopard has an estimated population of less than 1,000. The Sri Lankan leopard has about 800 mature adults remaining. The Asiatic or Indo-Chinese leopard, Panthera pardus delacouri, which is hunted for their skins, bones, teeth, and other parts for traditional medicine. Latest count, there are around 750 adult males left in the wild. The Arabian subspecies, Panthera pardus Nemo, which is the smallest in stature of the species, is critically threatened, while the Arma leopard, which ranges from Russia to China, are on the critically endangered list with as few as 60 individuals left in the wild. Like other big cats, lions and tigers, leopards have been known to prey on humans. In the early 20th century, the leopard of Rudraprayag in India attacked and killed 125 humans over an 8-year period. Other accounts from India and Nepal tell of similar stories. Zebras, the most quickly identifiable of animals, with its unique black and white striped coats. These majestic herbivores roam the grasslands of Africa. They are divided into 3 distinct species. The plains zebra, Equus quagga, is the most common of the zebra species. Its black stripes are generally wider than the others, with horizontal stripes on their rump. No 2 patterns are identical. They tend to gather in larger social groups than other species as well. The mountain zebra, Equus zebra. The smallest of the species has stripes intermediate in width between the other species, with gridiron and horizontal stripes on the rump and brown or orange around their black muzzle. It was once thought there were two subspecies of mountain zebra, but that has since been resolved. Graves zebra, Equus gravi. The largest and most endangered of the three species, its stripe pattern is the densest with concentric rump stripes and white lines around their muzzle. It is also referred to as the imperial zebra. Zebras primarily inhabit the grassy plains and savannas of Africa, where they find an abundance of nutritious grasses for grazing. These regions provide the perfect mix of open spaces for social interaction and dense vegetation for shelter. From the expansive Serengeti in Tanzania to the sprawling Maasai Mara in Kenya, zebras have adapted to a variety of ecosystems, showcasing their remarkable resilience. Zebras form tight-knit groups known as harems. Each harem consists of one dominant male, called a stallion, several females, and their offspring. These groups can range in size from a few individuals to large herds exceeding hundreds. Within a harem, zebras establish a hierarchical structure, with the stallion leading and protecting the group. Communication is vital for zebras' survival, and they utilize various methods to convey information. Their distinctive black and white stripes help in individual recognition within the herd. Zebras also communicate through vocalizations, such as braying, snorting, and barking, which serve to alert others of potential dangers or to maintain social bonds. Zebras are herbivores, primarily feeding on grasses and other low-lying vegetation. Their elongated muzzles and strong teeth enable them to efficiently graze, even in harsh environments where food may be scarce. These adaptable creatures can survive on lower-quality forage when necessary, making them well suited to the unpredictable conditions of their habitats. Surviving in the animal kingdom is no easy feat, and zebras face constant threats from predators such as lions, hyenas, and crocodiles. However, Zebras have developed impressive defense mechanisms to increase their chances of survival. Their exceptional speed, reaching up to 64 kilometers per hour, allows them to outrun most predators. Furthermore, their strong social bonds and collective vigilance make it easier to detect potential threats. After a gestation period of approximately 12 to 13 months, a female zebra gives birth to a single foal. The newborn foals can stand and walk within minutes of birth, displaying remarkable resilience from an early age. They quickly integrate into the social structure of the harem and are nurtured by their mothers and other members of the group. As grazers, they help control the growth of grasses and prevent the encroachment of woody vegetation. Their hoof prints also create pathways for smaller herbivores, ensuring a healthy ecosystem for numerous animal species. While most zebra species are not currently endangered, habitat loss, poaching, and competition with livestock pose potential threats. In the vast plains of Africa, amidst the diverse and captivating wildlife, the African buffalo stands tall as one of the big five African animals. With its immense power, resilience, and captivating social structure, the African buffalo dominates the animal kingdom. The African buffalo, scientifically known as Syncerus caffer, roams across various regions of sub-Saharan Africa. They can be found in a wide range of habitats, including grasslands, savannas, woodlands, and even swamps. Their adaptability to different environments has contributed to their widespread distribution. The African buffalo is a large, sturdy animal, typically standing at shoulder heights of 1.4 to 1.7 meters and weighing between 500 to 900 kilograms. Both males and females possess impressive horns, which form a protective shield on their forehead. These horns can grow up to 1.5 meters long and are a unique feature distinguishing them from other buffalo species. They live in herds ranging from a few individuals to several hundred. These herds are typically led by a dominant female, known as a matriarch. Within the herd, there is a complex social structure, with individuals forming close bonds and displaying a strong sense of cooperation. The African buffalo's strength lies in its unity. When threatened by predators such as lions or hyenas, the herd forms a tight circle, with the young calves protected in the center. This defensive formation, known as an allomothering system, ensures the safety of the vulnerable members and presents a formidable challenge to any would-be attackers. As herbivores, they mainly feed on grasses, leaves, and other vegetation. They are highly selective in their feeding habits, choosing the most nutritious plants available. This grazing behavior not only sustains the buffaloes, but also contributes to the overall health of the ecosystem by preventing the dominance of certain plant species. Their dung also acts as a valuable fertilizer, enriching the soil and supporting the growth of other plant life. Additionally, the African buffalo impacts the predator-prey dynamics within the animal kingdom. As a challenging prey species, they provide a vital food source for large predators such as lions and crocodiles. This interdependence ensures the survival of different species and maintains the delicate ecological equilibrium. The rhinoceros is unmistakable with its formidable horn and large head. These majestic beasts have roamed the earth for millions of years, adapting and evolving to thrive in diverse habitats across different continents. Rhinoceroses belong to the family Rhinocerotidae, which includes 5 living species: the white rhino, black rhino, Indian rhino, Javan rhino, and Sumatran rhino. Each species possesses distinct characteristics that set them apart, from their size and horn structure to their preferred habitats. Rhinoceroses are renowned for their large size, with the white rhino being the largest of the 5 species, weighing up to 2.5 tons. They are characterized by their thick grayish skin, which is covered in folds, giving them a rugged appearance. The rhino's most iconic feature is its horn, which is composed of keratin, the same material as fingernails. These magnificent creatures can be found in various habitats around the world. The white rhino, for instance, thrives in grasslands and savannas of southern Africa. While the Indian rhino prefers the floodplains and tall grasslands of the Indian subcontinent. The black rhino, on the other hand, inhabits the bushlands and deserts of eastern and southern Africa. The Sumatran species is the smallest and critically endangered, with only 80 individuals remaining in several locations around Sumatra and Borneo. The Javan rhino is the rarest and critically endangered, in fact extinct in several locations it once lived. The remaining population resides in national parks with only 74 individuals remaining. Despite their imposing size, rhinoceroses are herbivores, primarily feeding on grasses, leaves, shoots, and fruits. Their wide, square-shaped lips are perfectly adapted to graze on vegetation, allowing them to consume vast quantities of food each day. They are generally solitary animals, except during mating and when females are raising their young. They establish territories and mark them with urine and dung piles, communicating their presence to other rhinos. It is rare for rhinos to engage in social interactions. Except for the Indian rhino, which sometimes forms small groups. The rhino's thick skin acts as a protective armor against predators and harsh environments. It is fortified with collagen fibers and is incredibly tough, shielding them from thorny vegetation and insect bites. This adaptation, combined with their massive size and sharp horns, makes them formidable opponents in the animal kingdom. Rhinoceroses face numerous threats, including habitat loss, poaching, and illegal wildlife trafficking. Efforts to conserve these magnificent creatures are crucial to ensure their survival for future generations. Preserving the natural habitats of rhinos is vital for their survival. National parks, protected reserves, and wildlife sanctuaries provide safe spaces for rhinos to thrive. Efforts to restore degraded habitats and establish corridors for rhino movement also aid in maintaining healthy populations. Their tough hides also promote insect infestations, which is taken care of by a symbiotic relationship with oxpecker birds. Oxpeckers, scientifically known as buffagus, are a species of bird found in sub-Saharan Africa. They avoid dry deserts and dense rainforests. They belong to the passerine family and are known for their distinct features, including their sharp bills and strong legs. Oxpeckers primarily inhabit savannas, woodlands and grasslands, where they form mutually beneficial relationships with larger animals. There are two subspecies, the yellow-billed oxpecker, that ranges through most of the sub-Sahara region. Most recent study suggests the oxpecker has an ancient lineage to mockingbirds and thrashers. The red-billed oxpecker inhabits the more easterly regions. Although both subspecies are often seen together. Symbiosis is a fundamental concept in the animal kingdom, referring to the close interactions between different species, often resulting in mutual benefits. Oxpeckers have evolved to become specialized cleaners, providing valuable services to their hosts. They primarily feed on the parasites that inhabit the hides and skins of larger animals, such as rhinoceroses, zebras, and antelopes. By consuming ticks, lice, and other irritating insects, oxpeckers help keep their hosts healthier and reduce the risk of diseases. These birds have a distinctive feeding behavior that involves perching on their hosts and meticulously searching for parasites. They use their sharp bills to pick off ticks, larvae and other pests, often making distinct chirping or hissing sounds while doing so. Oxpeckers also consume blood from wounds, playing a role in wound cleaning and preventing infections. The presence of oxpeckers offers several advantages to their hosts. By removing parasites, oxpeckers help reduce itching, irritation, and potential skin infections. The hosts, in turn, provide a safe habitat and food source for the oxpeckers, enabling this mutually beneficial relationship to thrive. Apart from their cleaning services, oxpeckers also play a role in alerting their hosts to potential dangers. With their keen eyesight and acute hearing, they can spot predators approaching and emit specific warning calls, alerting the host animals to the imminent threat. The use of pesticides and chemicals on livestock can harm oxpeckers, as it diminishes the availability of their primary food source. With their unique cleaning services and alarm calls, are fascinating creatures that exemplify the beauty of symbiotic relationships in the animal kingdom. On occasion, the host becomes irritated by the birds themselves. However, they seem to tolerate them when inspecting their faces for ticks. Nutria, also known as koipu, are a semi-aquatic rodent native to South America. Nutrias thrive in wetland habitats, including marshes, swamps, and riverbanks. They are excellent swimmers, thanks to their webbed hind feet and long muscular tail, which serves as a rudder. Nutrias are primarily herbivorous, feeding on aquatic plants, roots, and stems. Their large, sharp incisors allow them to gnaw through vegetation and construct impressive burrows along the water's edge. Due to their prolific breeding and adaptability, nutrias have historically been introduced to various regions outside their native range for fur farming purposes. The thick, waterproof fur of these rodents is highly valued in the fashion industry. Nutria farming has become a sizable industry in countries such as the United States, Russia, and China, contributing to the local economy and providing employment opportunities. However, in later decades, these animals escaped their farming confines and spread in the wild, causing several problems. In many regions, they are now considered an invasive pest. While nutrias generally pose no direct threat to humans, they can indirectly contribute to the spread of certain diseases. Nutria feces, urine, and contaminated water can serve as sources of pathogens. Leptospirosis, a bacterial infection, is one such disease associated with rodents, including nutrias. It is essential to maintain proper hygiene and take precautions when coming into contact with potentially contaminated areas. While nutrias have been introduced to various regions for economic purposes, their presence can have detrimental effects on the environment. Nutrias are known to cause damage to wetland ecosystems by consuming vast amounts of vegetation, leading to habitat degradation and loss. Their burrowing activities can also weaken riverbanks, resulting in erosion and potential flooding. Though nutrias are generally not aggressive towards humans, caution should be exercised when encountering the species, especially if they feel threatened or cornered. Nutrias possess sharp incisors that can cause painful bites if provoked. Nutrias, with their unique adaptations and ecological impact, offer a captivating glimpse into the diversity of the animal kingdom. Their remarkable ability to thrive in diverse habitats and their economic significance in fur farming cannot be overlooked. However, it is crucial to understand and mitigate the potential risks associated with nutrias. By maintaining a respectful coexistence with this species, we can appreciate the beauty of nature while safeguarding our own well-being.